How to add phone number on Facebook. So if you want to add phone number to your Facebook, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, now you need to go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon. Scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, tap on settings, and then go with account center. Under account center, you need to scroll down and then go with personal details. Tap on personal details, and here you will have your contact info, your date of birth, your identity information. So you just need to simply go with the first option, which is contact info, and here you will have your phone number, your email address, and everything. So if you want to add a phone number, then simply go with add new contact, or if you have not added a phone number, then you will have an option of add phone number. So you can tap on it, or you can also go with add new contact, which is on the bottom of your screen, and then tap on add mobile number. And here you need to enter the mobile number that you would like to add, and you need to choose the accounts that you would like to connect with this phone number. So if you want to connect your Facebook, then simply tap on Facebook and then enter your phone number and tap on next. Once you tap on next, you will receive WhatsApp or an SMS notification from Facebook. So once you get the SMS notification, or once you get the code, you need to simply enter the code and you need to verify that it's you that is adding the phone number to your account. So once you enter that code, your phone number will be added after verifying. So that's how you can add your phone number on your Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.